Hello everyone, today I am unboxing Redmi Note 6 Pro that I bought from daraz.pk. Previously I didn't have good experience with Daraz as a cell phone that I bought from them was not sealed back and warranty was already expired, and I had to go through a lot of trouble to get a new warranty card. So let's see if it's a good experience this time or not. First of all, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. I will give link to this cell phone in description, and if you have any question then do post a comment. Delivery guy asked me to open the bag before receiving it to confirm if there was a phone inside plastic bag or not. Cell phone box was properly packed in bubble wrap. I bought this cell phone from official Mi store on Daraz and it costed me 28,000 rupees and I received it in couple of days. I bought it in July 2019, but warranty is expiring in June 2020. That means I get one less month of warranty. Let's open the box. There is a soft plastic back cover, charging adapter and power cable. This phone supports fast charging, but you have to buy QC3 compatible fast charger separately. There is no earphones in the box. I think this phone gives best value for money in this price range. It received Android 9 update just after setting up the phone. Thank you for watching.